Yeah, before going to start the session, let me introduce myself. Myself, Rajsekhar, I have 13 plus years of experience in IT industry, not only in IT industry, as well as I'll do that my trainings as well. So that is both. This is trainings I'll do in a part-time mode. So my full-time is in IT profession. Now, first here we used to understand the word called that is Android. So I think you people are also aware of this word Android because nowadays, like almost everyone are aware of this word called Android. Either you may use mobile or watch or TV, something that lot of electronic gadgets are there. So that we are using here, this right. So anyone, what you know about this Android? Anything what you know about the sun? Murlinand, Lavanya. So what you know about this word called Android? You don't know about this word Android? Hope you are using Android device.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what you know about this word called Android? Because I'm expecting as an interactive session with the students, so that's why I'm asking the questions.
That is mobile voice, we can say.
Yes. So it's a mobile operating system. So open source mobile operating system. Yes, both are correct. So first of all, Lavanya said it's operating system. Then Murli said it is an operating system. Like okay, operating system. Then other things apart from these two words, mobile platform, open source. Then what is our course? Our course is to develop the mobile application, right? So that is also part of this. So it is a development environment. And the last one more word for the definition. So that is here. That is a Linux kernel. So Linux kernel. So these are the four words. These four words will form the definition of the Android. Simple, it is the Android is an operating system. It is an open source. By using this, we can build the applications and always it run on the top of the Linux kernel. So because that operating system is built on the top of the Linux platform, so that's why that Linux kernel is the first level of security for our Android application. So here each word we will discuss in detail here. So first of all, what is an operating system? So operating system is nothing but it is a bridge or it's a middleware between. So between middleware between hardware and the software. Hardware and software. Even though now you are able to see my screen and you are able to hear my voice because of the some operating system only. See, whatever I'm talking, that is hardware is taking my voice, software is converting that, and you are able to hear that again in the hardware. So that is nothing but it's an operating system. Similar, you are able to see my screen. That is also same. But if you comes to the laptops and desktop environment, so there are multiple operating systems are there like Windows, Linux, Mac, Solaris, Ubuntu. Like there are many operating systems are there on that platform. But in case of this mobile platform, there are nowadays there are only two platforms, which is Android as well as an iOS. But here now we are going to discuss about this. So this Android is the of course. Then next it is the open source. So what is the meaning of open source? Open source means simply that is freely available. But what freely available? So in this platform, some of the things which are freely that I'll go with the stakeholder wise. So what stakeholder? Like let us say first stakeholder End user. We all are the end users who are using the Android devices. For them, more than 99% of the apps are free. Like, so right, all of the applications we are downloading as a free, as well as the latest operating system updates also we are getting as a free of cost. We are not paying anything for them. Then in case if I'm a developer, so if you are a developer, so in case if you're a developer, you are getting that dev environment as a free of cost. So for the developers, dev environment free. So we no need to pay anything on that. Also, there is a huge community is available for this platform, like that is developer.android.com is the main and important aspect of this. So by with this platform, here we can get means there is a huge community is available for that. We will get entire support from the scratch to till the development level. We'll get entire thing. So that is the one more benefit. Then after that, the next step of this, so that is here you are a manufacturer, device manufacturer. In case if you are a device manufacturer, so what is the benefit for you? So that is customizable operating system. See, operating system as a free operating system. You can download the free operating system from the platform, and then you can customize that. Like how? See, for example, today I have buy two devices. One device as Samsung, one device as the Lenovo, or something like other device is the Vivo. So both the devices with same version of the Android, like Android 14, 6 GB RAM, and internal 128, everything, hardware, software, everything as the same, but still it remains a difference. Why? Because Samsung has customized, similar Vivo has customized. So that a customizable operating system, we will get that. Right, then this we already discussed about that development environment, we are getting the support. Then Linux kernel. This Linux kernel is main and important. This is the first level of security for our Android application, security for our Android application. This is the first level of security for our Android apps. So whatever the request, like let us say, I want to open a camera, or I want to open a gallery, or I want to open my contacts. Once I click on a particular application, whatever the support plugins, support libraries, support hardware it requires, it took all the information. Then the request will goes to the Linux kernel layer. On the Linux kernel layer, there is a one thing called as a Linux kernel. From there, like it goes all the request into that. From there, it will be interact with the user. So there is a one folder called that folder. From that folder, it will interact with the user. So that's the reason this we are saying that this is the first level of security for our Android application, so that it will go to the kernel. From the kernel, it will interact with the user. So that is the IPC, that is inter-process communicator. The process communication should happen is end user, whenever end user interaction will happen, that will be through IPC, inter-process communicator, that will happen this. So this is about the definition. Hope till it is clear, both of you, or you have any questions? Right. Next, here I have a question for you people. Why you are learning this course? Why you are learning this course? Is there any specific reason? Morley, Lavanya, why you are learning this course? Is there any specific reason behind this? Like a lot of people will come with the different reasons, so that's why I'm asking that. So based on that, is to develop my own application for the crypto exchange. Okay, it's a good. So Murli wants to go with his own apps. Next, what about the Lavanya?
Yes, same, sir. I also want to develop an application, mobile application.
Okay. So before that, just I want to understand what is your background. Like Murli and Lavan, both of you, what is your background? Currently, what you are doing?
Sir, currently I'm a front-end developer working in Angular.
Okay, Angular. So from Angular to you are planning to here. So you are doing the become you are doing business. Okay. Okay. Well, both are the good. Now technical analysis trainer. Okay, understood. It's a good for you. But so now, first of all, here a lot of people will come with that first reason, that is the job. So second reason is this own apps, means in case if only you came for the job, so there is no meaning for this course. Why? Because compared to other, here there is a one extra benefit with this course. So that is, if I only for job, I can learn Python, I can learn .NET, I can learn Angular. Already you are saying that you are working as a front-end developer Angular. So obviously you can get the job. So, but here, apart from that, here now you can develop your own application. So what is the benefit if I develop own application? So I can develop my own application and I can upload those applications into the Play Store so that I can earn some amount from there. So, but how much? So like let us say only that depends on ad. So just my application is only dependent on ad. Some functionality is there that is only dependent on apps. Then what ads? Then what I can get? So in case if my app has downloaded by 10,000 members, so I can say all of them are not using on a regular basis my application, and that at least 50% of people are used. Maybe that is also like I can go very worst figure, even though if 10% of people are also using my application, then I'll get easily on a 8 to 12,000 per month. That is $100 to $150. Easily you can earn on that from. That is the one thing that is. Next, apart from this, there is a freelancer opportunity also in this platform. Lot of freelancer opportunities also here we will get on this. So in this, like easily we can get on a freelancer opportunities as well. So because in a billions of applications are available in a Play Store, but all the applications which are not uploaded by the developers. So like let us say I have interest, but I don't know this Android. If I approach one company, the company will quote more 1 lakh, let us say 1 lakh. The same application, if I go with a freelancer, he may do that in a very less price, that is 20 to 30,000. So obviously I can prefer that person. Right. So that kind of benefit here it is with this. So now this is okay. These three benefits with this course. But here now, the duration wise, this is the 45 days of duration it is. So we are learning this course with the latest version called Android 14. So the latest version of as of now it is 14. Maybe that next few days Android 15 may launch. In case 15 will launch, based on the 15 also we can discuss on the next step. Like in case any extra development is there on a 15, that also will include in this. In before if in case if we before complete of this course, if it will get that, we can do that also. And language called here we are doing with the Kotlin, because that nowadays that Android has developing based on the Kotlin majority of the market. So that's why we are also going with the Kotlin. And for the design, we will use the XML. XML is for the design and Kotlin is for the logic business layer, that everything we write on Kotlin. So this is okay. But what other benefits we are getting? So first of all, like video recordings, whatever the discussions it's happening, that video recordings you will get. And I'll share one PDF. That PDF will contains the theoretical as well as the practical examples will be there. So apart from this, whatever the programs we have discussed, that also I'll upload in one Google Drive. So this is a code. So whatever the code, that code I'll apply in one Google Drive. So that link I'll share you, so that from there you can access that whatever the code we are discussing in live, that process. And also when I discuss on a talk, like the main and important topic, that is a web services related topic when I discuss. So without that, nowadays we cannot do any development activity. So when we do that kind of thing, so there I'll share one, and it means I'll create one project. In that project, I'll incorporate more than 10 topics, 10 in between of the 10 to, sorry, don't start that cold, so no problem. So there I'll incorporate 10 to 15 different topics in the single project. So there it will give as a project, like sample project, how we will do in a real-time project, and that kind of scope there it will create. Like in that same project, I'll add login, registration, session management, some personalized data in case internet is not there, how to handle, and there some material design concepts, animations, splash screen, like these kind of in between of the 10 to 15 topics I'll add this. And also every day whenever we are discussing about the course, like every day today how I'm written step by step here now. In a coding also, I'll create each and every program in front of you people, and I'll write the code in front of you people with clear explanation. So if you have any questions, then and there you can ask, or you can ask end of the class. I'll explain you, and after that I'll give you the task as well. So I'll give you the task as well. So if you practice those tasks, and if you follow my videos as well as the programs, whatever we discussed, definitely you are eligible to do your own applications. Or if you try for the job also, that will be benefit for you people. Like in case if you want to go for interviews, wherever the interview point of questions is there, so that also I'll press you like how to answer such question in interviews as well. So that in detail I'll explain that area as well. And next, come to here. Like I don't have any predefined programs. So let us say today I'm discussing some XYZ topic. That XYZ related topic, I have whatever the program I have in mind that time, directly I create in front of you people and implement that. So that's the reason, like batch to batch, even my programs will be also little bit different for that. Every time it is not a predefined program, just I'll write and rerun, write and run, like not like that. It should be little bit different. Right, hope you understand about these other things. And in case if you try for the resume kind of thing, I'll give you that resume as well, so that you can go on a next level, like sample resumes. If you want to do that, that will go. And even though after the course also, if you want some kind of support and all, so once the batch is confirmed, I'll share my number. If you have any questions later of the course also, you can approach me, because I started my teaching career around 2013 and 14. Till that, people also having some contacts with me, like they have some questions, like maybe they don't have that much after that experience questions, but they have any help on the other areas, they'll come to me. And if they have any opportunities also, they'll come to me, like job openings and other things. So in case if someone trying in my students, just I'll refer those. There also some kind of reference will be applicable. Even though from DurgaSoft side also, like whatever the openings are going on that area, they'll share those details. You can approach those as well. So that is the things. Hope till it is clear. If you have any questions till this?
No, sir.
Yeah. Murli? Yeah. Okay. So now you have any topic wise examples? You have any questions, like some what are the course content and all in this? What topics will be there? That kind of knowledge, do people anyone have that? Murli? So topics wise. Okay. And then I hope you received my course content, but just quickly I'll go through. Means if I won't go detail, because if I go detail also, you cannot understand that. But just for your understandable, I quickly go through, because whatever the programs we are doing from starting very basic to till the development here, even though I'll use some of the AI tools, like because nowadays that AI everywhere it is AI. So that's the reason I'll do that some kind of AI related also. First, it will start with the introduction, mobile app, why this is, what are the versions in this versions are there, version wise features, then architecture. After that, setup of the Android Studio, Then first program. So there in the first program, lot of things we'll discuss: how to access the code, how to access write KOTLIN file, XML file, everything. After that, XML I'll teach from the scratch because that is a new. So there also like in detail we'll discuss each. Then design using this XML, we will design here using different kinds of system components also that we will discuss. After that, we will create a forms by using the text fields and all. Then validations and all. Components. This is the components are main and important. By using these components, we can create a static application, so that we will do this. After that, advanced user like arrays, list view, grid view, autocomplete text view. Then next is the telephony manager like SMS, calls, IMEIs. So in case in network is not there, that, and how to connect with the Bluetooth. Nowadays, IoT is main and important role it is playing. So how to handle that things also we'll discuss. And intents like moving from one page to other page, like open camera, gallery, such kind of things here we will handle. Like to alert the user, dialogues will help in this. Also type, date, I want to select my date of birth, such kind of things here it will handle. Then service, like background process. So system level, like battery low, notification as received, such kind of alerts. Content provider, like one application data is accessing another application, like WhatsApp data, WhatsApp is accessing my contacts data, gallery data, such kind of things. Then web services. This web services is major key role for our course, because without web services, we cannot do any dynamic application. So that's the reason. In this, there are two kind of things. One is a retrofit, other is a volley. So that both things we'll discuss. And with the data binding. So the industry trending is that data binding is going on. So that's why this with each and every program we'll discuss in with data binding. Then fragmentation. So reusability of the layout to reduce the button on application that we discussed, and local database, SQLite, that is a basic version. On top of that, one framework called the room database, that room database. Then after that, here that is material design to make an attract user interface, this material design. Then Firebase. So Firebase is also one of the major and important to create a charting kind of application, crash analytics. So that kind of things we will discuss. In this, there are more than 10 topics. So that 10 topics we'll discuss. After that, Google Maps, how to handle the maps. So that Google Maps key, and how to create a Google Maps, Google Places, location between the distance locations, like all the kind of things we'll discuss in this. Then after that, animations, add mob account, like how to put the ads in your application, and how to upload the apps into the Play Store, and how to maintain that. Then after that, architecture wise, so two kind of architecture, one is the MVVM, other is the MVC, both architecture we'll discuss. Then Jetpack Compose and the runtime, like nowadays if we install the apps, it is asking that permissions, right? Allow camera permission, allow context permission, so such kind of permissions. Then Postman, like how to check the web services. GitHub, how to maintain the code repositories. And AI tools, so clean architecture, flow, compose, these all are will come in the MVVM architecture. So those will discuss in detail. This total, it will take 45 days, and every day it is a 1 hour session. But until the batch confirms, I'll take 30 to 40 minutes of the session. So this is the course content wise it is. Hope it is clear. Have any questions?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Okay. So Murli. So then, so for this today, I can wind up for this today. So tomorrow actual subject will start on that. Tomorrow 9 p.m. exactly sharp 9 p.m. will start. Because of today, just 8 p.m. class, I started a little bit late. Just why? That's the reason. Just I started 5 minutes late. But tomorrow sharp 9 o'clock will start our exact session. Okay. Any other questions? Will you have any questions, Lavanya?
Oh, no questions, sir.
Okay. Then we will meet tomorrow 8 p.m.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Murli.